안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 키마림입니다. Today's Tuesday, so that means one of the fours. If you don't know what the fours is, let me explain. So every week we switch between these fours. So 1 week is typing lesson, 1 week is listening practice, 1 week is speaking practice, and 1 week is vocab learning. So let's see what we have for this week. Kasha. So the name is actually for us now. Okay, let me shake out the screen. So I sent this message. Okay, we're gonna do the typing lesson today. That's what we're gonna do. We're doing the listening practice. Okay. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. Question 1. That was so easy. Okay, question 2. I'll do this one with you guys. So A, J, R, D, M, S. Okay, let's do question 3 together. 3 is A, K, S, T, no, F, no, sorry, D, okay, what's the, hold on, I found it, it's E, 만든. Okay, let's go. Sorry, enter. I got all of it correct. Okay, guess that's the end. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was kind of a boring one, but if it helped you, I'm gonna, like this Friday, like I said in my last video, I'm gonna be teaching like some stuff. I'm also gonna be teaching the keyboard too and how like I memorized it, well kinda, and I'm also filming my vlog, so make sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for K-pop updates. Yeah, bye, 안녕.